Welcome to day 3. Pretty chilly start this morning. You can see the herd here coming up behind me now. Quite a long way. We've just come all the way up this valley. So yeah, it's been pretty chilly, but it's starting to warm up now. The sun's out, which is good. So yeah, let's just see how this lot get on, and yeah, let's enjoy day 3. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Welcome to the Black Lake. Although at the moment it's pretty white. Normally you don't get so much snow here, and you can see the ice, which is crystal clear. It's completely frozen. The ice is about 4 to 5 foot thick. It's absolutely amazing. So it will support vehicles. People drive across here in the winter, no problem at all. Big trucks, people walk across it. The herds, however, because they're hooved animals, don't tend to like ice. So they will stick to the edges. They won't really walk on this bit here. But what a spectacular place. That get a lift because they can't make it with the rest of the herd, so they get to go on a vehicle. At a little hut. We're going to stay here tonight. Just this little wooden thing. Okay, we'll stay here tonight. It's going to be a lot of us in there, crammed in. But yeah, I'll take you in. We'll have a look. So, like I say, this is home. Let's go in. Let's have a look. So the door open to us. Say hello. Hello. Woo. Let's go in. Come in. So, this is home. So we'll be sleeping over here. Roland and Bonko are just sorting out some food. And this thing here provides all the cooking and the heating for the room. You can see the water and snow and ice. Some tea from that, no doubt. And yeah, let's have a look around. Roland, what are we having for dinner?
I haven't yet decided. Something, soup maybe?
Soup maybe?
Yeah, soup with vegetables and...
mutton?
Yeah. Little bit of mutton.
There's always mutton. Okay, alright. Oh, look.
Oh, hello.
Hello, say hello, Volker. Hello.
Okay.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Excellent. Let's have a look, see what we've got. We've got some vegetables.
Ah.
Very good. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
Good.
And these are the kids that from the family. So yeah, he's almost stood to attention. Right, say goodbye.
Bye. Allah. Geliyor ey. Қараңғы маңдай. Сол салып қойып тұр, жылттап пештің астына. Суығында тұрсын.